Odoo CRM full tutorial for beginners. Welcome to this beginner-friendly guide to using Odoo CRM, one of the most versatile and powerful customer relationship management tools available in now's world. Now, whether you're running a small business, working in sales, or managing a growing customer base, Odoo CRM gives you the tools to track leads, manage pipelines, improve communication, and close more deals, all from one unified platform. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up your CRM system, customize pipelines, manage leads and opportunities, and follow up with clients using built-in tools. So let's begin by understanding what Odoo CRM actually is. Now, Odoo is a complete suite of business applications from inventory to HR to accounting, and the CRM module is specifically designed for managing sales processes because it's modular. So you can start with just the CRM and expand later if you want. Unlike standalone tools, Odoo connects CRM with email marketing, invoicing, tasks, and customer support, giving you a 360-degree view of every client and sales opportunity. So to start off, you're going to head over to odoo.com and create a free account. So once you create a free account, you're going to be heading to the dashboard. Now, to start off, I'm going to go over to create my free account. And now it's going to ask, what do you want? Now, obviously, we want a CRM, and we're going to click on continue. So here you're going to add in your name, you're going to add in your company name, and even your phone number. So once you've added these things, you're simply going to go ahead and click on start now. Now, once that happens, it says welcome to Odoo. It's pretty cute that they give you a whole introduction like this, and from here, it's going to take us straight into this section. Now, here it's going to be asking what you want to go with. So obviously, we're going to go with CRM because that is what we want, and this is where we can choose the apps we want to install. As you can see, I clicked on CRM, and once we did that, the system will automatically set up your CRM workspace. Now, once the CRM is installed, you'll be taken to your main pipeline view where it's going to ask you to create a new opportunity. So once you do these things, you're pretty swell and pretty good to go. So let's say I'm going to add my company. I'm going to click on add. And as you can see, it's going to go ahead and create an opportunity that we can actually go in and work along with. So that is what the CRM app actually insinuates, which is pretty cool. So once we have come into our pipeline, we can go ahead and work along with this accordingly, however we want. And, this is your whole pipeline essentially. Now, this is where all your sale opportunities will live, basically. So at the center of your screen, what you're going to be seeing is a Kanban style board. So you can basically shift it around and work along with it accordingly, however you want to do it. Now, once you have gotten the idea of how all of this works, what you're going to do moving on from there is going ahead and creating a new opportunity for yourself. So let's go ahead and add a company for ourselves. So let's say I'm going to stay with Dev Inc. You can add the contact email of the person, add their phone number, and you can even add the money they are bringing in. So you're going to add that. And here we have Dev Inc. opportunity. All right. Now, then once you've added the expected revenue, customer name, and company, you can also include a tag like high priority or recurring to help filter deals later. Now, once you've created the card, it appears in new, as you can clearly see, and now you're going to explore how to manage and qualify the leads. So you're going to click on any opportunity to open its full detail view, and here you're going to be seeing fields for contact information. You can get expected close dates, priority level, and internal notes. You can also schedule activities like follow-up calls, meetings, emails, or custom tasks. So to do all of this, what you can basically do is first of all, give it tags from here. Okay, you can give it any tag that you want. This could be a tag that you create. Once you have done that, you can also add over the different contact details, even go into activity, give it a little to-do saves, and a whole lot more. Then moving on from there, these activities are linked to the opportunity and ensure that no lead is forgotten. So to create a follow-up, what you're going to do is you're going to schedule an activity for yourself, basically. Okay. And this is the schedule activity that I created over here, which is basically a follow-up. Now, The activity will now appear on your dashboard as a to-do item. So if I were to go back over to my pipeline, as you can see, it's going to be a to-do item over here. Pretty cool. Now let's also explore how to manage and qualify your leads. So Odoo allows you to automate lead assignments and follow-ups. So for example, if you're running a business with multiple sales reps, you can set rules to automatically assign new leads to specific team members based on region, product type, or even lead score. Now, these automation rules are set in the CRM settings under lead assignment rules. Okay. So to get the automated section and to get the actual lead assignment rules, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to generate leads. Okay, you're going to add the general company that you're going to want to generate the lead on. And once you click on that, this will basically generate the leads for you, which is pretty cool. And once you have actually generated the leads, they give you the whole information according to it, how it's supposed to work and, the general working ethic along with it. And obviously, once you have gotten an idea of how lead generation actually works, or any media working actually works, this is the main idea of getting new opportunities into your leads and timeline. Now, moving on from here, what you can basically do is you can go ahead and move these things along to proposition to work accordingly to yourself. Then you can also go ahead and schedule different activities for yourself. As I told you, go ahead and mark these plan ups for yourself. You can also move along the different activities that you're working along with. And in the case that you have lost a lead or an opportunity, you can also mark it as lost. So just like that. Now, speaking of lead scoring, Auto CRM offers a scoring system that helps you prioritize your pipeline. You can assign points based on factors like industry, company size, past interactions, or engagement with your website. Now, leads with higher scores can be flagged as a higher priority, which is also pretty cool. And also, moving along for yourself, what you can do is, get higher priorities on generating leads for yourself. Let's also talk about email integration and communication, where Odoo CRM connects directly with your email inbox. So if a customer replies to an email thread linked to a specific opportunity, the email will automatically be logged under that record. So that's pretty cool as well. Everything happens in one space. And finally, when you're ready to scale, Odoo CRM supports full automation and API integration with tools like MailChimp, Zapier, Google Calendar, and more. You can build end-to-end workflows where a new form of submission automatically creates a lead, assigns it to a rep, schedules a call, and sends a follow-up email all without lifting a finger. So, to wrap up, Odoo CRM is more than just a tool for tracking leads. It's a complete platform that helps you build relationships, improve sales process, and grow your business with confidence. So, with its customizable pipelines, integrated communication, and activity tracking, and a full suite of business tools, Odoo CRM is ideal for anyone serious about managing customer relationship in a smarter and a more efficient way. So that is pretty much about it for this video when it comes to Odoo CRM. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.